Yo, what's up, people? How y'all doing today? Let's look through my phone here. So, my new phone. It's pretty cool. I was gonna sing something, but I changed my mind. But I got some pretty cool, tones here. Let me go through a couple for you. With the notifications, I have this. Hold on, I gotta turn it off. Let me do it again. Yeah, play all the way. There you go. I know something simple like that. Okay. I got this one. This one's kind of funny. I know y'all know what that is. Here's this one. Yeah. This is a good one. We never broke up, Oh, there's somebody I don't like. This is y'all's. Right here.
That text message is not important. Ignore it.
This one my mom hates. This is a good one.
Talk about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass.
Kyle!
Why the fuck not?
Eric!
You just said fuck again.
Stanley!
Who?
Kenny!
What did they do?
Yeah,
They didn't hurt anybody.
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry.
Actually,
What I said was...
How would you like to suck my balls? This is annoying. Afro. Oh, Kelly, if you see this one's yours. Here we go.
Pick up the phone.
That's annoying.
Pick up the phone.
Here's another good one.
Pick it up.
Ooh, baby, I'm just spending all on you, baby. Oh, Mr. Cheeseburger, don't be Mr. Flintstone. I can make it better. It's a popular one. Oh, y'all need to listen to this one.
With a man with a 12-inch penis, please pick up his phone. Man with a 12-inch penis, please pick up your phone. Thank you.
That is cool, y'all. Yeah, so I don't know what else to do today. I mean, with my new laptop, I got my PS3. Oh, I recommend 2 games for PS3. This is one of them right here. Saints Row 2, Wicked. Oh, here's something that Zach, I know he'll love this, but it's for PS3. Wicked! But the best one of all is Sleeping Dogs. I know it's out for sale for $60, but I found it for $25. So, alright, y'all, just hit me up. Tell me what you think about the ringtones, and if you got any more ideas for PS3 games, hit me up. Peace.